How to edit checkout page on Wix. So I'm inside the Wix website editor here, and if we want to edit the checkout page, we will first go to pages and menu from the left side here, and then we have to go to store pages, and then we have to go to cart page and just click on cart page here. So after we click on it, then it will take us to the cart page itself, and it's going to look like this. It will tell us that the cart is empty, but if we left click on it, then you will see this: manage payments and settings. We have to choose settings here if we want to edit the checkout page, and you should see this customize cart. Once we select this, it will show us what is displayed. So for example, shipping and delivery rates, you can set this to your liking, what you want to make appear. And you can also show link here if you want to enable it. Now, another thing we can change here is the design itself. So this is customizing your checkout page. So we can choose the dividers and opacity, the titles, the cover text here. We can change it as well. And we can also change the body and the button styles of our checkout page if we want to, as well as the, like I said, the button style and appearance, and we can reset this to original design. And we can also change the name of the page here and the empty cart message, and we can also add some different note links here and the button text for checkout here. We can type out become a customer, for example. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.